In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn off background app refresh on iPhone. This can help extend battery life, improve device performance, and enhance privacy. By disabling this feature, you prevent apps from updating content when you're not actively using them. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. You will want to head to General. Navigate onto this option of background app refresh. Onto this very first option, make sure to mark on off. When turned off, it frees up your device's processor and memory for the apps you're actually using, resulting in smoother performance. That's how easy it is to disable background app refresh. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.